Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make some corn pudding. This recipe is really easy and it tastes great, so let's get started with the video. In a large bowl, add 1 box of Jiffy Corn mix, 2 cups of mild cheddar cheese, a half a cup of sugar, 1 can of kernel corn, 2 cans of cream-style corn, 1 cup of sour cream, a half a stick of melted butter, and 1 can of evaporated milk. Then mix all your ingredients together until well combined. When you're finished, set your mixture to the side. In a pan, add some olive oil or non-stick spray. Then thoroughly coat your pan. When you're finished, add your corn pudding mixture into the pan. After that, place it into the oven to bake at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. Once it's finished baking, let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes and then enjoy. Corn pudding is my second favorite side next to mac and cheese. It is delicious and a must-have when I make holiday dinner. Whether it's for Thanksgiving or Christmas or even New Year's, I always make this. My granny made this all the time and me and my brothers loved it. After a while we asked for the recipe and we started making it ourselves. I totally recommend you try it, it's absolutely delicious, I swear. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!